M1 Blueshark maintenance. When your wear looks like this, please index. Never go beyond the wear line indicated by the red color. Otherwise, you risk damaging the wheel. This is an example of chipping, not wear. If this happens more than once, it's time to try a new tooth grade. If using black, go to gold. If using red, go to black. If wear is normal, consider changing teeth grades to increase wear time. However, this also gives up impact. If using gold, try black. If using black, try red. When using the larger wheel, check the rock guards. If the wear is near this line, it's time to change the rock guard. All teeth and wheels need to be checked every day of use. Busy season is just around the corner, so stock up on extra teeth and rock guards today.